So in this video, we are going to learn how to share gravity form responses on Discord. Now suppose guys you have created some kind of online form using gravity forms and you want that whenever you receive a new form submission, a new form response, you want to share that same form response with your team members on your Discord channel. So guys, let me tell you, you can actually automate this complete process in such a way that whenever we are going to receive a new form submission in Gravity Forms, automatically the exact same form submission data will be shared as a message on our Discord channel. Now, if you want to know how you can set up this automation, for that you have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. So I would like to name my workflow as Gravity Forms to Discord. And then just click on Create. Now you can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with the trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we have to connect the form which we have created in Gravity Forms with Pabbly Connect, so that every time we receive a new form submission, a new form response, that response could be captured inside our Pabbly Connect workflow. And after that, using Pabbly Connect, we are going to send that form response as a message on our Discord channel, so that we can update our team members over there as well. So let's see how it is done. Now here in trigger window in Choose App, search for Gravity Forms. Select Gravity Forms. And then in trigger event from the drop down, select the trigger event as new response. After selecting this trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. And now using this webhook URL, we are going to connect the form which we have created in Gravity Forms with Pabbly Connect. And how we are going to do this? You just have to follow the help text given below over here. Just copy this webhook URL from here and go to the form which you have created in Gravity Forms. I have this form named as contact form. Let's open this form in edit mode. So this is just a simple form, a basic form asking first name, last name, email and mobile number. Now instead of this, you can create any form of your choice in Gravity Forms. After creating your form, what we have to do? First, we have to install an add-on in our Gravity Forms account. So from the left sidebar, we will go to the add-on section, and here at this add-on section, just scroll down. And here at last you will see an add-on named as Webhook. So here guys, let's search for it. Here it is, Webhooks add-on. You just have to install this Webhooks add-on into your Gravity Forms account and activate it. After activating this add-on, you will see Webhooks option under settings. So when you will install this add-on and go to your form which you have created, here under settings, you can see this Webhooks option. Just click on Webhooks over here. After clicking on Webhooks, here you can see a Webhooks option. Just click on this add new button and then give this webhook URL a name. For example, I would like to name it as Pabbly. Then after naming it, it is asking us for the request URL. Now here guys, in this request URL section, you have to actually enter the webhook URL which Pabbly Connect gave us. Just copy it from here and then paste it over here. After pasting the webhook URL, you just have to make sure that the request method from the dropdown is post and the request format is JSON. And that is it. You just have to click on Save Settings over here. Now when we click on Save Settings, we have successfully added this webhook URL into the form which we have created using Gravity Forms. Now whenever we are going to receive a new form submission, a new form response in this particular form, automatically that form response will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So let's do this. We are going to make a test form submission in this form. Just click on this preview button and enter the details. For example, I'm enter the details of a demo user. The name is demo user. This is the email address. And this is a dummy mobile number. Let's click on submit. So just now we have received a new response in the form which we have created using Gravity Forms. And after this guys, we will see as we receive this form submission, instantly automatically in Pabbly Connect workflow, you can see the same form response. So here in trigger window, you can see that we have received this response of email address, mobile number. We'll scroll down further and we will see some other details from the form submission like first name and the last name. This means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. We have successfully connected our Gravity Forms form with Pabbly Connect and received the response from the form submission in our Pabbly Connect workflow. Now after this, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we want to send this same form response, this form submission data to Discord as a channel message. Now to do this, just scroll down, come to our action window and here in choose app, search for Discord. Just select it. After selecting Discord, an action event from the drop-down, select the action event as Send Channel Message HTML and then just click on Connect. After clicking on Connect, the first thing it asks us is the webhook URL. Now here guys, we have to actually connect our Discord account with Pabbly Connect, our Discord channel with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, first we have to create a webhook URL in our Discord server. And after that, we have to enter that same webhook URL over here in Pabbly Connect's action window. Now you must be thinking how you can create this webhook URL in your Discord server. Now to create it, just open your Discord server and on the top side, here you can see this down arrow. Just click on it and go to server settings. After coming to the server settings page, from the left sidebar, go to integrations and then go to webhooks. Here you can see a list of all the webhook URLs which we have created in our Discord account. To create a new one, click on this new webhook button. And then here you can see a new webhook URL has been introduced. Just click on it. You can change the name of the webhook URL. For example, I would like to name it as Gravity Forms. And then after this, we have to select the channel that using this webhook URL on our Discord server on which particular channel we want to send the message. And in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the channels which we have created on our Discord server. So here guys, I have a channel named as contact request. On this particular channel, I want to share the form submission responses from Gravity Forms. So we have selected that channel over here. Now just copy the webhook URL from here. Just click on copy webhook URL and click on save changes. That is it. We have successfully created this webhook URL. Now get back to Pabbly Connect and paste the same webhook URL over here. And in using this webhook URL, all the messages from our Gravity Form responses will be shared on our Discord channel. Now we have entered the webhook URL, but we have to also create the message that what is the message which we want to send on our Discord channel. So I want my message to be hello team and then to go to a new line because we have selected the action event as send channel message HTML. To go into a new line, we have to use this BR tag. So after hello team, I want to move to the new line. So I've selected this BR tag. Then I want the next sentence to be we have received a new contact request. And then I want to mention the details of the contact. So here I would like to mention the name first. So here in front of name, I want to mention whatever name the user has entered while submitting the form. So we have received the first name and last name. This is the first name and last name. And we have to map this same response of name over here in this message field. And guys, the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Gravity Forms. Out of all of this, first select the response of first name, map it, then give a space, and after that map the response of last name as well. Now after entering the name of the person, I want to enter the email address. So I will add just BR tag first. And then in the next line, I will mention email and from the drop down, map the response of email. Then again, we are going to enter the BR tag. Then we are going to mention the mobile number. And then I'm going to map the mobile number in front of it. In this way, if you want, you can create any message of your choice. You can basically enter any message, any text. And then from the responses which we have received from Gravity Forms, you can actually remember any response. All of the responses, if you want, you can map them over here in this message field. After creating the message which we want to send on our Discord channel on every form submission, here it is asking us for the bot name. That on our Discord channel, a bot is going to post these messages. What will be the name of the bot? So you have an option to change the name of the bot as well. So here guys, I want my bot name to be, for example, Pabbly. So I am entering Pabbly over here. If you want, you can give any name of your choice to your bot. And also, not just bot name, you also have an option to change the bot icon. Like you can actually change the icon of the bot and add any picture in place of that. You just have to enter the image URL, the pictures URL over here in this bot icon section in this field. And then whatever images URL you are going to enter over here, that image will be the bot icon of the bot who is going to post these messages on our Discord channel. At last, it is asking us text to speech. So if you want to enable text to speech from this drop down, select enable. Right now, I don't want to enable text to speech. So I'm selecting disable over here. And then just click on save and send test request. After clicking on save and send test request, here you can see that we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the message which we have created over here, this message with the form response details, form submission details, has been sent on our Discord channel. So let's check it. We will go to Discord, let's open the channel, and yes guys, here you can see that a message has been shared on our Discord channel. The message says, "Hello team, we have received a new contact request. This is the name, this is the email, and this is the phone number." The exact same message which we have created in our Pabbly Connect workflow. So here guys, we can see that the workflow which we have created in this video is working perfectly fine. And using this automation workflow, whenever you are going to receive a new response in Gravity Forms, automatically the form submission data, the form response will be shared as a new message on our Discord channel. Now guys, after setting up this automation, let's test this automation workflow once in real time. Once again, we'll go back to form and we are going to make another form submission. For example, the name of the person is test user. This is the email address. And then this is the demo mobile number. Let's click on submit. So just now we have received another form submission and we will see as we receive this form submission instantly within seconds. Here you can see that on our Discord channel, the same form response, form submission data has been sent. We have the same message, "Hello team, we have received a new contact request." We have the same name, same email, and the same phone number. This means the automation workflow which we have created, we have tested it and it is working absolutely fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can post them on forum.pabbly.com. So if this video was helpful to you, you can obviously like this video, comment down your suggestion, and don't forget to share it with others. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.